This is Pete Weber, PBA Hall of Famer and the bad boy of bowling.
Mr. Weber, may I please have your autograph?
Thanks, kid.
And he cares about three things, and three things only. Drilling pins, looking fly, and never backing down.
Who do you think you are? I am.
That's why he wears Mugsy jeans, the only jeans comfortable enough to handle moves like this. Because like Pete, Mugsy takes pride in dominating everything they do, never letting anything get in their way.
Ain't no being scared here, pal.
And only Mugsy jeans are made with enough stretch, comfort, and durability to knock them down every single time.